Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and today I'm going to show you this. This is a very special little pigment that does something that I've never seen any other pigment do in 10 years of working with pigments and powders just like this. This is the purple to blue color shifting microflake. Gabe found this last week. He comes into my office and says, we should do a video with this. We've never done a video with color shifting microflake, let alone an interference microflake. Now this is something that we purchased our inventory back in 2013. Not a big seller. It hasn't even been on our website in years. I'm like, you know what? Let's do a video on that. We have never done it. Let's see how it turns out. But first, go spray a speed shape in it. I kind of want to see what it looks like. He goes in, sprays a speed shape, and comes back and goes, no, it was mislabeled. I'm like, what do you mean? He's like, it sprayed out gold. It's not purple to blue, it's gold. I'm like, why would somebody stick a purple to blue label on that? And he comes in about 10 minutes later. His face looks like he's seen a ghost. I'm like, what the hell is wrong with you? He's like, did you mess with that speed shape? And I'm like, no. Why? He's like, it's not gold anymore. I'm like, what the hell are you talking about? It's not. He's like, it's blue. I get out of my chair, I walk over here, and I'm staring at a bluish purple color shifting microflake. I'm like, yeah, it's blue and purple. What are you talking about? He's like, I swear to God, 10 minutes ago, this was gold. I'm like, spray it over again. He sprayed it over again. We took a time lapse of it. Take a look at what this thing does. So this thing starts as a white powder, then turns into a beautiful gold microflake as soon as it's laid down. And over the course of 8 to 10 minutes, somehow, it decides to change into a purple to blue color shifting microflake. I even called my buddy Peter at KP Pigments. I'm like, how is this possible? What is this stuff? And he's like, dude, I have no freaking clue. So we're gonna use it today. We've got the Evo here. It's got a black base. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, we're all done with today's project, and it was crazy watching this microflake transform itself full scale on a car from a beautiful gold flake to a purple and blue shift right in front of us. I have no idea how it does it. Our pearl vendors have no idea how it does it. Here's the trick. We don't have any more of it. We only had a couple bags left, so I can't even sell it to you guys right now if you want it. But if it's something that you want to play with, let me know, because I will find it and I will bring it back. I'm going to take this thing outside, take a look at the car, rate this thing in the comments. 1, it doesn't really do it for you, to 5, totally blows your mind. I can't wait to see what you guys think of the color. If you want to dip your car, click right up here. Tons of colors and kits to choose from. It's Fonzie. I hope you guys enjoyed this one as much as I did. I'll see you guys on the next video. Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and today I'm going to show you a pigment that starts off as a white powder microflake. Is it powder? Is a microflake still a powder? Not a big seller, hasn't been on the site in years. And I was like, dude, that's awesome. Let's just do a video with that. We've never done a video with a color shifting microflake, especially an interference one. I've never even seen an interference mother. Crazy to watch this thing do its transition large scale. Starting off as a car with a gorgeous gold microshift. What the fuck is that? All right, guys, we're all done with today's project, and it was wild watching this pigment transition itself from a gold microflake all the way to a bluish, purple fucking whatever